Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are doing something a little bit nostalgic and fun. I'm going to show you how to start Ansys Fluent and Fluent meshing using the CMD command prompt in Windows. It is not something we often use nowadays with all these modern GUIs, but it is still good to know and honestly a bit of a throwback. So let's dive in and see how it works. First of all, we need to know where is our Fluent software placed. In my case, it is in the C drive and program files, Ansys Inc. and V221. This folder may be different in your case, Fluent NTB and Windows 6.4. So first of all, we need to open our CMD. So just go to the search or window and type CMD or command prompt. Click here to open it. So let me divide the screen into two windows here. So for now, I'm my command prompt placed in the C users and ASUS folder. So I need to change this one and go to the Fluent folder. So I will copy this folder location, and then here just need to type cd space, and then you can just use Ctrl V to paste your folder. You need this backspace here, and then so I have this sign also here, and then I just press enter. So I moved to this folder, to my Fluent folder here. So if I go to first slide, okay, actually to open the Fluent, so you just need to use this command like Fluent and use which version you want. In this case, I'm going to open in the 3D dimension and double precision. So I just write Fluent here, then space 3DDP for 3D and double precision. Use another space because I'm going to specify the number of my processor. So in this case, I will use 4 processors. So I need to use this command here actually. So I will just write -T, and 4 is the number of the core. So if I press enter, so Ansys Fluent will be opened automatically with the defined command. So let's wait to open the Ansys Fluent. So you see there are 4 cores, and so this Ansys Fluent open with 4 cores, and you can see also here this is 3D double precision and also open with 4 processors. So we can do the same for Fluent meshing. I will close this one. It's okay. The only difference, so you need to write dash and then meshing, and for the number of processors you need to use a -TM and number of your cores instead of T4. So I will use the previous comment here. Instead of this T4, I will delete this one and just write dash meshing, again dash TM4 and press enter. So my Fluent meshing this time will be open with the defined options. So you see it has been opened with 4 processors, and this is my Fluent meshing. Okay, thank you so much for watching.